Hey guys, and welcome to a review video of my police station. I was a big police station fan as a kid, so when I was planning this MOC, I wanted to build a grand looking building, and this is the end result. On the first floor you have the garage entrance for my prison transport truck, as well as the main entrance to the reception area with some nice looking lights and flower boxes, a police sign above the garage entrance as well. The second and third floor, nothing crazy going on. So let's have a quick look on the back before turning our attention to the inside. Some nice big window panels, so you can have a look inside into the garage section, as well as the staff entrance. A few windows on the second floor, and on the third some more windows and a balcony with a ladder leading up to the roof. So let's pop the roof off and have a look inside. So here we go, the third floor of my police station with a staircase leading up to a small kitchen for the staff, with some with a fridge and some cabinets, a sink and a stove with a with an oven, and a couple of officers enjoying a break. And this is the captain's office. It looks like he's enjoying a cup of coffee and today's paper, perhaps. A tiny toilet and a small briefing room. That's it for the third floor. Let's have a look on the second. Trying my best not to knock something off the table here. Well, here we go. A work station for the officers. Some computers, some screens, a traffic control, and nothing too fancy. Mostly functional. And a big cell for prisoners waiting to be transported to the upstate prison. I'm gonna get a quick look at the small toilet as well. Yeah, that's the second floor. And this is the first, with a reception area, a couple of officers talking, and an old lady waiting to perhaps file a complaint or report a crime, with a good looking prison transport truck waiting in the garage. Well, that's it. A very quick review of my police station, and I hope you enjoy that one. And I'll be posting more videos in a short while. So have a great Sunday, you guys, and I'll be talking to you soon. Bye.